Okay, quick look through Friday's end of day closing screens. So let's just buzz through these markets. Cheers, James. Pretty flat week, really. I would say in our group of stocks. How are these pullbacks coming along? Doesn't take long, does it? It really doesn't take long. You know, sounded like the crazy guy, didn't I, for a few weeks? You know, the crazy guy who's trying to pick the top in the market. But no, just expecting normal action. So this is going to be a really interesting pullback. I think I say that every time, don't I? Ones to watch: S&P, Nasdaq, Russell coming in there quite hard today. DAX, and the DAX is a wild trading market. You know, the DAX could do something like this quite easily. FTSE 100, 250. Small caps. So going forward, obviously, you know, I like to see the leading S&P, Nasdaq leading markets. I like to see those come into the interesting area, you know, come into a mean trend area. And it doesn't matter where the weaker ones go. So getting a bit of dollar weakness helped the gold stocks today, didn't it? In mean trend area, really obvious place for it to trade sideways towards. Really obvious place for it to sort of catch a bid there as well. Quickly, let's just go and have a look at Bitcoin as well. Obviously, he's not got today's action, but I expect it's down a bit today. These Bitcoin ETFs are just basically useless, aren't they? 20-year and 10-year moving up strong today as well. So interesting action. Let's jump through these screens. I'm hoping this is my last live radar for a few days, meaning I actually get to have my operation. Not been cancelled yet, so we'll see. Could be cancelled even on Monday, but I'll be here on Monday morning anyway. I'm going to load the markets tomorrow morning because I want to let the US close. Not going to see much today. That's exactly how it's meant to work when the markets are in pullback. So, quick look at the pro gaps. I've also dropped. What have I dropped? I've dropped the UK beta GTRS as well. It's pointless me doing an IPOs one for the UK because there isn't any. But I've dropped a beta list. These are the ones what we're up today. 6-month closing highs. fly through these. And the swing points. Let's fly through these. Nice little bull flag on PAF there, isn't it? I mean, I was late to this one, but still I'm up over 60%. I know a lot of you took this one from down here, just because I was in the other ones down here, wasn't I? So those who took those earlier setups are up handsomely. Was a good base still. Just we had so many gold stocks at the time. SRB, little, we looked at this as a base cheat, bit undefined, but in reality, let's just zoom it out again. I know a lot of you hold this one as well from early days. But yeah, going well, isn't it? So that's what's in there today. So, yeah, I'm not going to drag it out tonight. We know what's happening. The US is in a pullback. I'll quickly have a look at those end of day ones. SRB, VLG, just punch it in quickly. VLG. And obviously RFX gets a little bit of love, doesn't it, when there's moving gold. But the gold stocks are much more orderly and better option. So I won't, the best thing at the moment is just to see how these pullbacks play out and see what's I like to rerun the GTRS when we get a couple of bad days, but I'm good. I'll just see how I go next week. If I have this operation, I'm going to be out of it on Tuesday because that's the operation day. Maybe the day after I'll be out of it as well, Wednesday. But I'll just play it by ear. We will play it by ear. Michelle's going to bring the PC in for me anyway, but I can just tell her what I want to do. So I'll leave it there. I'll upload the US tomorrow, some point in the morning, and the market ones as well. I'll be here in the morning. I might be here most of the day on Monday. I have to wait till mid-afternoon, I think, before I know if I've got a bed. So basically, I'm here on Monday, but I won't be here in the evening if they've got a bed for me. We will see. I won't count on it. Okay. Cheers all.